issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Warren County in northwest New Jersey, northwestern Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, eastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Nazareth, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Academy and Wilson around 5:25 p.m., Forks and Easton around 5:30 p.m., Elk around 5:35 p.m., Harmony around 5:40 p.m., Roxburgh and Bloomsbury around 5:50 p.m., Belvedere around 5:55 p.m. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and Northampton County, Pennsylvania.